In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kapwing for TikTok videos. This creative platform will help you turn your ideas into engaging content. Let's jump right in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head to the Kapwing website. Kapwing offers a range of tools that allow you to create more content in less time, which is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their TikTok presence. Once you're on the Kapwing homepage, you'll want to sign in to gain access to all the features. Look for the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and click on it. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but here we're assuming you've already set up your account. After clicking Sign In, select Sign In with Google. This option makes the process quick and seamless, allowing you to use your existing Google account credentials. You'll be directed to a Google sign-in page. Choose the account you want to use by clicking on it. Make sure it's the same one you'd like to connect to your Kapwing projects. Now that you're logged in, find and click on your project. This will open up the materials you've already worked on or give you a chance to start fresh with your new ideas. Once your project is open, you'll see a variety of options to edit and enhance your video. For TikTok, resizing your video is crucial since TikTok videos have a specific aspect ratio. Look for the Resize Project button. After clicking that, you'll see several size options. Choose the one labeled TikTok Video 916. This will automatically adjust your project to fit TikTok's requirements, making sure your content looks great on the app. After the project is resized to the correct dimensions, click on the Resize Project button once more to finalize the size adjustment. Kapwing's intuitive interface makes this process smooth, ensuring that your video is perfectly prepared for TikTok's platform. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and fits, it's time to export your masterpiece. Find the Export Project button and click on it. This is where you bring your vision to life, turning your edits into a shareable video file. Finally, click on Export as MP4. The MP4 format is widely compatible with many devices and platforms, including TikTok. This ensures that once you download your video, you can easily upload it directly to the TikTok app without a hitch. And there you have it, your TikTok-ready video created using Kapwing. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your creative vision into a shared reality. Good luck with your TikTok journey, and happy editing.